In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your slide animation only work when you leave that slide in your Canva presentation. So I have this presentation made with Canva, and I have this slide which has the animation. I'm going to show you how this animation looks like. I'm going to click present. As you can see, it works at the beginning, which I don't want, and it also works at the end. That's what I want. So I'm going to remove this beginning or entry animation. Just click on that slide that has the animation, and then click on animate at the top bar, and then you'll see that your animation is selected already. And underneath this, just you'll see both on enter and on exit. Just click on exit so that it only works when you leave that slide. So now if you test it, if you present, as you can see, it shows just like this without an animation in the beginning, which is what I want, and in the end the animation works. And that's how you can make a slide animation only work when you leave that slide in your Canva presentation. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.